What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's been doing well. So yeah, in today's video we are on the way to First Sundaze at JTECHMODS in Brackenfell. I think it's Brackenfell. We are, I think, 20 minutes away. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As usual, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you think of today's video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah guys, we made it to JTECHMODS. There are some cars here, but I need to just make two, how can I say, I just need to make two apologies in advance. There's a bit of wind here, so if there's a lot of wind noise, I apologize. But there is also they are playing music over there in the front by the car wash. So if the music goes away or whatever, just remember that there's a copyright and that music cannot be shown on my channel or whatever it is. So yeah, if the music goes away, don't panic. I am aware of that. So yeah, just stay tuned. So yeah, we're starting with a nice 6R. It's brand new. I think the guy just bought it because there's a template on the back. There's an S5. Duster over here. TDI. Look at this thing, guys.
Someone to trust can help you breathe.
Take a cigarette,
that drug, but you're starting to choke. You fall on the ounce of an inside joke. Why, oh why can't we just fix it? With all I want is feel, but the medication's on.
Nice wheels. Corolla, nice. crazy wheels. Its interior is just too nuts. I didn't see this in the last time. There's a power outlet here at the back. It's crazy. So yeah guys, I am about to take the car around to get it washed, so then I know it's clean, because it is a bit dirty and I haven't cleaned it in a while. And by in a while I mean I haven't cleaned it in 2 days I think. But I was on the road yesterday and it's full of bugs, so now yeah. So yeah guys, I'm in line for the car wash now. So yeah guys, the car is clean. I hope you guys enjoyed that short little video of this JTECHMODS parkoff. I'm sure there's gonna be more in the future, because I think this is the second one now. It's called First Sundaze, so obviously that means it's every first Sunday of the month. Here's a Scirocco sticking out and an M3. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just as I'm about to leave. These are nice. Anyways, so yeah guys, I am about to leave. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you thought about the video down below, and keep well, stay safe and stay tuned for the next one.